Penang Hills closed, so now we're going to find food somewhere else. Doesn't like tourists.
No, no, no. Mira, te toca. No, no, no. Ahora verás, mi amor.
Sounds like cardiac. Hi sir, how are you sir? Hi. Hello. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not Buffy. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi sir, how are you doing today? Support. Oh. Oh no, we can't go to the toilet now.
There, the kids, there, the kids. Yeah.
Yeah, you want?
How much?
10 ringgit per four.
Yeah, just make a No, you cannot see.
You're so cute.
So fast. I take up you, I take up you.
Oh, dropping lah.
No, the tongue very long, the tongue very long. Ayo. Hi.
Like the smell.
Of your leg or the... The chicken is so wild. The chicken is oh no! Say bye, chicken. Come on. Get the chicken there. Getting harassed by the animal. cheese. You cannot see, right? The chicken is not asking for food. Oh my god. Oh my god, baby goat. Ah, she's sleeping. Ayo, how you eat? So cute. Chicken eat the vegetable. Can you even carry the baby goat? Ayo. Ayo, so cute.
Yeah, I think she
Very
can
close, very close. So cute. Oh my
You
god.
don't want to sleep, huh? You want durian?
Yes. Wow. So cute.
You know what is food, what is finger?
Wow, the whiskers so long.
The mouth is a very weird placement.
It's underneath.
Yeah, underneath one.
Sure. Hi, baby. Whoa. Oh, you are. Oh, you. Okay. Bye, bye, baby.
Might as well eat my money, right?
Tanya, what is called? You sit on the seat.
Ah, shit. Ice cream, guys. The girl.
Girls.
Your dad will say like Santa.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
What for you lah? You want to try? You want to? You want to try? You want to go already.
He is the pandan. Hi.
Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Hi, girl. Whoa.
Mountain goat. That's a boss.
All these are just the peasants. Hi, baby. Hi. Hello. Hi, sir. Good to see you, sir. Mims. Hi, Mims. Hi. Hi.
Nice hair.
Oh, wow.
They smell like mutton.
Check it out.
I'm not joking.
Hi. Hello. Whoa. Sir. Whoa, letak. Ayo. Oh, besarnya. Wait, so big. Wait. Don't make anymore.
can do a pen shot like this. That's the shit. You know, you get the idea. Oh, big boy.
Yo, share. Yo. Hey.
Maybe fish.
Yo.
Nah.
Is it? I thought it says go.
Go.
Oh my god. She's just taking everything.
Cute.
Thank you.
Okay, would you choose pellets over carrots?
Yo.
Carrots. Come. See what it's
Hi, sir. No?
Hey, do it here.
Okay, you can take one white cheese.
呢個係拍清咗之後，你可以食到酒味。
找你。
哦，
Alcohol smell.
有高康。
Hi, gentlewoman.
My ear spot.
Where are we now? We are at
Tuan yang terumah.
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 We are at Bukit Genting Hill.
In
We're not
Penang.
actually in Genting, we're actually in Penang. There's a big chicken over there.
Hey, that's a big one.
And then this is what the restaurant looks like. So pretty. Super pretty. Love things to see here. Pictures to take.
Oh, fish.
Oh, there's a horse there too. Oh, tulips, but they're all fake. Nope. Hi everyone. Today has been a day of a bit of disappointment because we actually wanted to go to Penang Hill to try the to just take our friends up there to Penang Hill and also to see the hill. But it was closed. It's closed until 11th of June. So if any of you are going to Penang and you want to go to Penang Hill, don't bother because it's closed until 11th June. Yeah. But here we are today. Right now we are at this beautiful Genting Hill restaurant. They open at 11:30, I think. 11:30 to 3 o'clock for lunch, and then after that 5 p.m. onwards for dinner. So this is a very beautiful place. Kind of reminds me of Thailand because of all the different decos that they have everywhere. It is actually a Thai restaurant, so that explains a lot. But yes, it's super beautiful, and you can see the whole Penang from here. Actually, it's super pretty. So this is the view that you'll get if you come here to this restaurant. You can see the view of the city, of the white. This is a dragon. Some white fields. A lot of place to sit here. I don't think you'll sit here, but it's nice. It's nice. It's not bad. The food here is pretty good too. So that's nice. Also, I have a lot of pimples on my nose. I don't know why, but yeah, it's probably because of all the eating, all the sun, all the heat, all the sweat. That's probably why. But this is Genting. This is Bukit Genting Hill Leisure Park and Restaurants. You also have a horse here. So it's quite cute. If you guys want to, you can come here and just enjoy the breeze. It's really hot right now. It was a bit cooling just now, but it's getting hotter. So I think if you want to come here, just wear your sunglasses because it can get very glaring. Do you wear sunscreen today?
No. I said you wear sunscreen today. You wear sunscreen.
Sayang. Vegetal. Oma.
Yes, what do you want?
Pa.
How's the durian?
How's the durian? Good.
Excellent.
Joey, how's the durian?
Nice.
Nice. You like it?
Nice.
What?
Nice, okay. Take out, you don't have this one.
Nutmeg juice. Juice?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Delicious. It's a bit sour
Then you should try
and a bit sweet. Very nice. Delicious. It's a bit sour
Then you should try
and a bit sweet. Very nice.
I think about 6.
Then we can make a full circle, I think.
That's all you're concerned about.
Later come out is a rumble. It's a Lambo.
I don't want so much. Okay, that's enough.
I'm on the way back to Penang.
Thank you for the generosities you've done to us. And they certify this food was in our body. Thank you.
He's trying to outrun the car.
Only.
Medicine maybe a different medicine.
Wow. A lot of food.
What do you order? Duck meat.
Like, what's it called?
Now, guys, here we have with us this dry malak hot pot.
Out of 10, out of 10.
10.
Ready? Success. Ready? Success. I take picture of it. Okay, in a way.
I know. You think like I didn't know? Because I know. Like a peach milkshake. It's not like a peach milkshake on a bloody hot day, yeah?
Psycho.
Have you guys ever made a milkshake? It's
Quite a. This street look good.
Why you? Why?
Vegetarian now.
Step. I'm going for that.
Guys, should we try it?
This sounds like a thing.
Hey, it's a pretty street.
Let me do this one.
No.
What's in that thing? Video. What's in that? Okay. Are you? Oh, mine is spirits. There's one spirit you don't have. Huh? Can eat already? Nah, they're bini. I love bini too. Nice eh?
Penang nice or not?
Penang knows the best spots.
He's from Penang or?
I don't know.
So we're going to try the scooters. Mama, you gonna try scooter? Try one with Papa.
We have tried before lah, please.
No, you have not. Gonna try the scooter. Ta-da! No, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. It's a duck. It's a duck. Yeah, it's a duck. It's a pet duck. It's a duck. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, it's okay.
Okay, lah.
Oh. Here. No. Further. No.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, here it is. Yeah.
Not fun, lah.
It's okay. We pay half an hour. Can you go inside here?
I don't think so. No motorcycle.
No motor bicycle.
Motorcycle.
Hey!
Get out of the way, SIL! Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Okay, go. Okay, go. Accelerate, come on. Push it. Holy. Nice. You go down there, can you go down there, Go there.
We go.
Check out where you're going.
We go down there.
Oh.
Wow, excavator.
Oh. 자기야. 자기야 조심. Oh my god. Don't bully the kid.
Hey, here go the scooter. Have to U-turn.
U-turn. Oh, follow her. I don't know lah. My mom says it's her, so I say it's her. Excuse me. 자기야. 야, 조심해. Oh my god, so scary.
It's been 10 minutes. Come on, power. Ulan.
Rocky Ball! Oh my god, it's so scary. Chica.
Sorry. Check it. Don't hold my steering wheel. Don't hold my steering.
What am I supposed to hold?
Hold the middle bar.
Can I hold you?
Yeah, can. Hold the middle bar. Yeah.
Okay.
Make way for Noddy.
Woo!
Wow, hands-free dinner.
Wah, dinner hands free.
เอาล่ะพี่จะวิ่งได้มา
A real shot.
You anchor our air. Money angin. You do for massage. Penang. I give special price 250. 250ครับ First they went to that. ครับ Then how? You everything is so mean.
Softer, softer. No, it's stick.
Your ankle bone very strong ครับ Smell like chili oil ครับ Why smell like tiger balm ครับ Who put tiger oh You put the chili oil at the bottom and all the egg come out ครับ and then I breathe My favorite ครับ
Psycho.
That's not
ขอบคุ
better
ณ
than
ค่ะ
Mimi you know
Huh?
Better Mimi you know
Yes.
Me better than Mimi ah
Yeah.
I can go and work there ครับ They call me when none of people ครับ